and welcome to my vlog. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Please be sure to hit this subscription button. So thank you guys once again for tuning in. And yeah, I'm eating a salad. This is what it looks like. And I'm just trying my best to try to stay healthy. It's really hard trying to stay healthy. And it's also really hard to like keep track of like veggie intake. It's just difficult for us to track how much vegetables we're eating, or having to, you know, get yourself into the momentum of eating vegetables. But salads are a great way. So that's kind of how I get my raw veggies in, is through salads. Though I don't make salads very often, I'm hoping to get into the habit of making salads at least twice a week, you know, because it's hard, like, making sure you're eating all your vegetables and stuff. So let's see how far we can go. But I put kale in here. I put kale, apples, cabbage, carrots, cherry tomatoes with balsamic dressing, as well as eggs and chicken. That's my protein. I like protein in my salads. And yeah, so I have eggs and chicken in here as well. And it's a really good salad. I've been making it for like a year. I've been making it for over a year. Like anytime I make a salad, this is the combination that I make. And I used to work at a salad restaurant. So that's how I was able to learn what veggies go with what fruits, like what dressing goes with what, in order to make a good salad. So shout out to Sweet Green, even though I worked there for not even 3 months. Shout out to them. And did I say I'm using balsamic dressing? Because I'm using balsamic dressing. I like salads. I like salad dressings that are like super sweet. I don't know if I'm the only one that's like this, but whenever I'm thinking of a salad, I'm thinking of like a sweet, tangy sauce. Like I don't really care for the ranch or the Caesar. I don't really care for dressings that are on the salty side. I like more dressings that are on the sweet side. But after I eat this salad, I don't really think I'm getting into much else today, to be honest. I might just edit some videos, chill, watch some TV, and honestly just see where the day takes me. But I know for sure the one thing that I wanted to do today was make a salad, and I accomplished that. So whether or not I get to other things, honestly, I couldn't care less, because as long as I accomplish at least one thing, and of course you shouldn't aim to just accomplish one thing on your daily to-do list, but give yourself a pat on the back if you get to accomplish 1 or 2 things out of the 4 or 5 things that were listed for you to complete. Then I'll most likely edit some videos. And oh yeah, and make sure to take my vitamins too. Vitamins are so, honestly, like, being healthy is a lot. Like having to like be and stay healthy, it comes with so much. Oh my gosh, you have to take supplements, you have to make sure you're eating balanced meals, and in between working out and going to work, it's so much. Like this comes with a lot. But speaking of supplements, I've been actually thinking about getting like vegetable capsules, and they have like a daily intake of they basically have a daily dose of the vegetables that adults are required to take in each tablet or in each capsule. So I was seriously looking into getting that, because it can be truly hard trying to incorporate veggies in my diet. Like sometimes I go weeks without eating vegetables, and that is not good at all. And I'm not even like one of those people that don't like vegetables. I actually do like vegetables. I love me a good broccoli, asparagus, potatoes, kale. I like vegetables. I'm very open to vegetables, but they can be so hard to consistently keep in your diet. So I was thinking about getting those veggie supplements from Amazon, because I think that'll be a great help. Whew. All right. Sorry, my lips were dry. And like lip scrubs, man, they literally scrub off the week. Sorry, my face is wet. They scrub off so much dead skin. Like I instantly see a difference every time I use it when I'm done. And no, I'm not using anything expensive. I'm not using Lineage or whatever the name of that brand is that sell their overpriced lip scrubs. I use a homemade lip scrub, okay? This lip scrub, I've made it, it's been over a year since I've made it, and it's still so good. The ingredients are very minimal and they do the Lord's work, I'm telling you. But this particular lip scrub was coconut oil, petroleum jelly, and white sugar. And it's so crazy, I had made another lip scrub with brown sugar and honey, and I thought I was gonna like that one more, but honestly I don't even know where it is because I don't use it. This one, however, I've seen the benefits of this one, and all I have to use it is just like 2 or 3 times in the week, and I see how soft and how bright my lips look again, you know. So if you're not trying to do anything inexpensive, like if you're trying to get into lip scrubs but you're looking for inexpensive means, because $22 for a lip scrub, like, I'm sorry, just say you want to waste money. Just say that you want to waste money. Just say that capitalism got to you, because there is no reason why a lip scrub should cost that much money when you can make them at home for less than $5. But I'm starting off this vlog very late the next day. It's about 6 or 7. What time is it? It's 6:30 right now, so you already know it's dark outside. And I'm just now doing my skincare. Clap for me, everyone. Clap for me. But I'm about to put on this mask. I got this mask from Target, and it was so cheap. It was like less than $1. Wait, no, it wasn't less than $1. It was less than $2. And like I've been saying, I've been slacking with my skincare, and I don't even apply masks as much as I used to. And masks are a very vital part of a healthy skincare routine. Like, masks basically have to do, just think of it like a deep conditioner. You know, like, you don't have to deep condition after every time you wash your hair, but you're gonna need it at least 2 out of the 4 times you wash your hair in a month. You know, so like every other, and that's basically masks as well. So if you're just like cleansing your face and putting on your toner, moisturizer, and that's it. I mean, it's okay if it works for you, but I know, like, for more repair and for more benefits, it's always good to incorporate masks into your routine. And I've been slacking so bad with that. My camera always looks so... I need to get a new camera, because whenever, like, it's at night, I just feel like whenever I move, it just glitches. But anyway, so we are at the event, the painting event. And we're about to go inside, and I'm extremely hungry. And I don't even know where this hunger came from, because I was doing fine when we left the house. But now I'm very hungry. And I'm excited to go inside, and I'm excited to watch him paint. So, yeah. I wish I could show you guys my outfit, but, you know, maybe he'll get it for me when we're walking.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, he's gonna get my outfit. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing, because I look good today, okay? I look good. I'm not coming here with the bonnet, okay? Outfit.
Wait, am I snapping?
No.
Okay.
Video.
All right. Bro, superb.
No, you always say that.
Superb. Ogalio. Ogalio.
Look at them. They feel like men. They feel like men.
Oh.
How are you?
Oh.
I like your pants. Can I get that on the vlog? Can I get the pants on the vlog? I love the fit. Love it. Yes, the gray. This is the painter we're here to see. No problem. All right. Hi, how are you?
Big announcement. So we're gonna go ahead and auction the painting for tonight. So after the painting, there's gonna be an auction. Whereby the translate.
Do we sit anywhere?
If you guys want food or drink tickets, you can get it from here. Okay. Like for food or drink.
Oh yeah. Alright. Lighting is really cute. I know, right? It captures like this type of lighting really good. I like it.
one knows. Good morning, everyone. It's a new day. Today's Monday. It's a new week, actually. And we're about to go and run some errands right now. It is freezing outside. Like, for the longest, like, we were wondering in Houston, like, where is the cold weather? When is it gonna get here? And lo and behold, it's here, and we're complaining. Typical human behavior. But yeah, so I just wanted to go and pick up some cat food, some cat litter for my dear girl Aura. Well, I'm like really scared though, because they're saying that it's going to freeze this coming week. And I'm scared because I really want to travel, because we plan on traveling for Christmas, and I really need to travel. I need this vacation, okay? So I really hope that this freezing weather warning isn't going to go into Saturday, the day that we're traveling. They say that it starts on Thursday, and they said it's going to go all the way up until Friday. But by God's grace, I really hope they don't cancel our bus. I really hope they don't cancel our bus route. I hope they don't. But that's just my fear, because I really, 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 really want to spend Christmas outside of Houston. You know, I've not traveled anywhere all year. So, yeah, that's just my only thing. I really hope that we're still able to go. I really want to go so bad. Okay, so we got back from doing errands not too long ago, and it looks so, like, scary outside. I mean, this is not a day that you even want to be outside. I mean, of course, people that have work, you know, they have to go to work and stuff like that, but for me, I have decided to just make it a indoor day. But yeah. So I think I'll just do some cooking today, to be honest. Like, today it just seems like it's going to be filled with cooking. I need to make some jollof rice, and I also need to make some goat meat. And yeah, that's all I need to make. So it will just be like a regular cooking day, and I might just, you know, find what to do next. Might edit some videos or something like that. So I'm done cooking, and this is what it looks like. Hope y'all like it. Hope it look good. Sorry, let me get a thumbnail picture, actually. So I don't think it's perfect. I just want to do a little thumbnail situation. Okay, but yeah. I swear I make the best jollof rice in town. You can argue with no one, because you will never win. Make the best jollof rice ever. Hey everyone, I'm coming to you guys a few days after Christmas, and I just remembered I need to close out this vlog. I've been sick for like the past week and a half, and it's not been fun. I almost thought it was COVID. Honestly, I thought it was COVID, but it actually wasn't COVID. So but yeah, so like I said, I'm coming to you guys a few days after Christmas. Today is the 28th, and we were able to go on our trip, thank God. The freeze warning that was issued ended up not really being as bad as the meteorologist anticipated, so we were able to go on our trip. So I'm really happy we were able to do that. It was really fun, and unfortunately I forgot my camera, so yeah, I didn't really capture that much footage, and I was sick, so I just did the best I could. But I'm gonna insert the footage from, you know, what went down over the Christmas period. And it was a lot of fun. You know, I got some unexpected gifts. We hung out with our family, and it was just amazing. I really enjoyed every bit of it. And now we're back in Houston and just waiting for the new year. And so yeah, that's kind of it for this vlog. That's all that I'm getting into as far as I'm concerned. And I guess I'll see you guys whenever I decide to vlog again. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video, and I will see you guys when I see you. Bye.
should start. Okay.
You don't have to record the whole time. Just like do bits and pieces.
Bit, okay.
Kind of
Yeah, I'm already recording though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
You just look so confused.
I don't know how they do this thing. How this is done.
Okay, I'm all good. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.